Hi everyone, I'm back with my Delusions art journal, and today I'm working on another page. So first of all, I'm going to add this rice paper which has a digital print printed on it. So first of all, I'm going to start from the middle. I'm using a glue stick. I'm going to place this art journal at my desired position, leave it like that, get my bone folder, and going to press and make sure that it's stable. And once that's done, I'm going to add matte medium to the page and apply the rice paper as usual. So just adding that glue stick in the middle helps me to minimize the wrinkles in the rice paper, which I definitely don't mind. So once everything is dried out, I'm going to trim the page. Now that the page is dry and looking nice, I'm going to add a wash of gesso, especially in the bottom part of the art journal. There is a reason for doing this, so you'll just know in a while. So I'm not going to make it pretty white, so that's why I'm removing the gesso a little bit. And after that, I'm going to use this tissue paper called Wildflower and going to use this as my focal image. So I'm using that age-old technique for trimming the tissue paper, which is using a wet brush and create a desired area which I want to use in my art journal. So once that happened, I can see that this is not fully covering my page, so I'm going to take a section off from the second impression of the wildflower, which is pretty similar to the one I am using. Again, using the matte medium to glue this tissue paper onto the page, and really happy with how it's turning out. Because of the gesso, its impression is bright and crisp, and it is not showing the color, and it's not picking up the color from the background. So now I'm happy with how the page look. It's time to add a bit more texture, and for that I don't want to introduce a new color. So what I'm trying to do is, using these two acrylic paints, I'm kind of making the same kind of color which is there in the damask on the top right corner of the art journal. So now that I'm happy with the color mix, I'm going to add impression from this stencil, which is these butterflies, onto the page. Now that I'm happy with the texture, it's time to add splatters to the page. And it's a black gesso which is mixed in color, and I'm kept it in a spray bottle. Okay, now that I'm happy with how the page looks, I'm going to add color to the edges of the art journal page using Distressing Rusty Hinge. So the sponge that I was using was not very good, so I did not get very crisp images of the butterfly. So what I'm doing now is using a white gel pen to add outline to these butterflies, which are looking very nice when I remove the stencil. Okay, so the page is looking as per what I expected. So now it's time to add some quote. So I have this some local quote sticker sheet with me, and I'm taking out 2 quotes from it to add to the page. And here's a close-up. Loving the subtlety of this page. The background rice paper is looking very nice, and happy with how the uh, tissue paper of these wildflowers have blended so well with the rice paper. The butterflies, the splatters, everything makes it a very sweet and simple page. So I hope you like this page. If you do, please like the page, leave comment below, share with friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.